Aerodrome Finance, baby. Where are we going? This thing is blasting off 13.2% today. As the time of recording this video, it is November 11th. We got the results for the big race. And let me tell you one thing. It is pump time, baby. But where is Aerodrome going? Could Aerodrome have a pullback here? And if it does, what are the levels that we're looking for? We're going to be covering all these questions here on this video. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day with you guys. So let's jump right into it. Where are the Aerodrome critical levels? So right now we are seeing Aerodrome above the value area high for October. We came down as low as the value area low, a little bit potentially below the value area low of the October range here on November 3rd, right? And then we had that big rally for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has pumped over $5,000 in the last night just alone, right? During the big race. And now Aerodrome has pumped along with this, rotating the entire range back to the upside for October. So what am I looking for here? Well, you guys know I've been looking for this green zone down here, 97, 94. We have not gotten it, right? But where are we headed? We're headed towards this red zone right up here. In this red zone, we have the Q2 value area high, and we also have the overall fib 0.5 level here at 138. So we have been rejected here before on October 14th. We pierced these levels and got massively rejected, which led to this pull down all the way to the bottom of October's range. Now, are we going to do that again? We will see. This is definitely an area to be looking at here, and it's also going to be highly dependent on Bitcoin, right? If we do break above this level, we're going to be going up to $1.65. That's the macro gold pocket to the upside. And then above that, the next target is 189 before we start skyrocketing back over the $2 range and basically going towards towards the previous all-time high of this year for Aerodrome. Now, if we get rejected here, right, we could come back into the October range and rotate this range to the downside one more time, looking for some support here around the monthly point of control around $1.22, $1.21. We will be looking for support here if we come back down. Now, why do I say it's dependent on Bitcoin? Let's jump into that real quick. But before we do, if you haven't already joined the Crypto Citadel, where you get exclusive macro analysis for long-term investors and exclusive daily trade setups and live trading sessions in there exclusively for anyone that wants to be trading, join the Crypto Citadel. The link is down below. Make sure you're coming on over here and you're using promo code Black Friday right now. 75% off, $5 for your first month, less than 15 cents a day, and the overall price after the first month goes back to $19.99, which is less than $1 a day to be in the group to get macro analysis. What are you getting? You're getting all kinds of macro analysis for all altcoins of your choice. You're getting daily trade setups for all different altcoins and Bitcoin that you choose, and so much more in there, plus the live trading sessions as well. So now, back to Bitcoin, right? Why am I saying it's highly dependent on Bitcoin? If you haven't smashed those likes or hit that subscribe, definitely do so. Let's get right into it. Bitcoin right now is currently above its previous 2024 all-time high of 73,951, right? We hit a new all-time high of $75,472 last night, right, during the big race. And if we do not hold these levels, right, if this little square right here, right, if this little square right here does not hold, then we could be dropping back down into this previous week range. We have a gold pocket sitting down all the way down here at $69,777. We also have many untapped levels that we left back here after a massive run to the upside. Look at this one green candle. This one green candle on the 4-hour alone is like over 8%. Over 8% on this just one candle alone, this one 4-hour candle, pumping us over $5,000 in 4 hours. So could we come back and retrace to these levels? There's the possibility. We have to keep an eye on Bitcoin. We have to see if we start losing the previous all-time high of 73,900. If we start losing that, we start coming down, we lose this VWAP, we could have some retracement here in the short term, which will obviously make this into more of a resistance for Bitcoin, for Aerodrome, before pulling back down. Now, if Bitcoin just skyrockets out of here, today's the 6th of November, the time of recording this. Tomorrow, right, if you're watching this on the 7th or later, on the 7th of November is the FOMC meeting, where we could be potentially getting another interest rate cut of about 25 basis points. If we get that, that could be fuel for Bitcoin to pump a little bit higher here. We could be going a little bit higher, closer to the $80,000 range, but before still having that pullback. Remember, there's always going to be another pullback at some point, and we must be ready for it. So that could be the fuel to get Aerodrome to break into this range, into this value area of resistance here, maybe even a little bit higher before having that pullback one more time. So be very aware of these levels. Like I said, if we do pull back, I am looking for the $122 area for support for Aerodrome. And guys, if you haven't already, make sure you're dropping more altcoins down below. Join the Crypto Citadel if you haven't already. 75% off, promo code Black Friday. And guys, let me know what altcoins you want me to cover next. I'll see you guys in the Crypto Citadel. See ya.